What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when you can't hear any sound on YouTube on your PC. If you are playing a YouTube video, but you can't hear any sound, there are a few quick checks and fixes you can try. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click the volume icon. Make sure your system volume is turned up and not muted. Sometimes the volume might be accidentally set to 0 without you realizing it. Next, search for sndvol.exe in your start menu and hit enter. This will open the volume mixer. In the volume mixer, you will see individual volume sliders for each app that's currently running. Look for your browser, like Chrome, Edge or Firefox, and make sure its volume slider is up and not muted. If the sound still isn't working, go back to your browser and check the tab where YouTube is open. Right-click on the tab and see if it says Unmute Site. If it does, click on Unmute. Browsers sometimes mute websites by default if you've previously silenced them. Lastly, check the YouTube video player itself. At the bottom left corner of the video, you will see a speaker icon. Make sure it's not muted and that the volume bar is turned up. By following these steps, you should be able to restore sound on YouTube and enjoy your videos without any issues. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.